Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add the measure tool to your control center. So with the introduction of iOS 18.1, you can now add the measure tool to your control center. So let me show you how to do this. First, go ahead and bring down the control center. Next, go ahead and long press on the screen. Then tap on Add a Control. Now in the search, go ahead and type in measure. And this is what the measure tool looks like. Go ahead and tap on this. And this will be added to your control center. Go ahead and press anywhere. And as you can see, the measure tool has been added to your control center. So there you go guys, that is how to add the measure tool to your control center. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.